the thing killing more men than heart disease that no one talks about. I'm going to show you the exact 3-step system to build real connections that save lives. This isn't about making small talk or networking. This is about escaping the friendship recession that's literally shortening your lifespan. By the end, you'll have a concrete protocol you can use this week to start building genuine friendships. And if you stay until the end, I'll reveal the one brutal truth about male loneliness that changes everything. Welcome back to Deeper Dudes. But first, let's talk about why your group chat isn't saving you from dying alone. You've got 200 contacts in your phone, a dozen guys in various group chats. You see people at work, at the gym, at events. But when was the last time you had a real conversation with another man? Not about sports or work, but about what's actually happening in your life. Research from the Survey Center shows 1 in 7 men has 0 close friends. 0. That number has increased 5 times since 1990. And here's what's terrifying about this. The Surgeon General's office released an advisory calling loneliness a public health crisis equivalent to smoking 15 cigarettes daily. It increases your risk of heart disease, stroke, depression, and early death by 26%. We're literally dying from disconnection. But nobody teaches us how to make friends as adults. We're told to man up, be independent, handle everything alone. What a load of crap. Connection isn't weakness, it's survival. And here's exactly how to build it. Step 1, the Thursday night protocol. This is the system that saved my life when I realized I was completely isolated, despite being surrounded by people. Choose one night per week. Thursday works because it's not the weekend, so there's less pressure. Commit to one in-person interaction with another man. Not a group, not your partner, one guy. Could be grabbing coffee, working out together, or just walking around the neighborhood. The key is consistency and vulnerability. When I started this, I reached out to a coworker and said, "Hey, want to grab dinner Thursday? I'm trying to actually have real conversations with people." That honesty opened the door. Real friendship starts with real intention. Before we go any further, I want to pause for something important. None of what we've been talking about really matters if we don't have the energy and clarity to actually implement it. I learned that the hard way. Look, we can't become the best version of ourselves on a broken foundation. We all know what it feels like to wake up exhausted. No energy, poor focus, and 0 motivation. I've been there. I also know what I feel like when I get good, restful sleep, targeted therapy, and the right supplements. These form an essential part of this healing journey we're on. It's the solid foundation from which we grow. I've personally tested more things than I can tell you. You could consider me your personal guinea pig. Everything linked in the description below I personally love. Whether it's the sleep tools, supplements, therapy resources, cold plunge gear, or the journaling apps, I've done and used them all. These are some of the very best science-backed and extensively tested products designed to help us get rock-solid sleep, have abundant energy, and experience the mental clarity and vitality we want. Check the description below for the complete stack. And hey, if you grab anything through my links, you'll be supporting this channel at 0 cost to you. No pressure, of course, and thank you in advance for taking a look. Now let's get back to it. If this is helping already, please hit that like button so more men can find this when they need it most. And drop a comment. How many close male friends do you actually have? No judgment, just awareness. Step 2, the vulnerability ladder. Most men think friendship is just hanging out and having fun. But Harvard's men's health study found that friendships without emotional intimacy provide almost no health benefits. You need to gradually increase vulnerability. Start with low-stakes personal information. Share a challenge you're facing at work or a goal you're working toward. Then move to medium vulnerability. Talk about a relationship issue or family stress. Finally, share something you've never told anyone. A fear, a failure, a dream you're afraid to pursue. This isn't therapy. It's connection. When men share real struggles, We create bonds that actually protect our health. I know because I lived it. For years, I was the guy who looked like he had it all together. Great career, good relationships, active social life. But I was completely empty inside because no one knew the real me. I was terrified of being vulnerable because I thought it would make me weak. The truth is, vulnerability is what makes friendship possible. Step 3. The investment protocol. Friendship requires intentional investment, like any relationship that matters. Here's the system. Remember details about their life and follow up. If they mention a job interview, text them the day after to ask how it went. Show up for important moments. Be present for birthdays, promotions, difficult times. Create shared experiences. Don't just hang out. Do things together that create memories. This isn't complicated, but it requires consistency. Most men treat friendship like it should happen automatically, but the deepest connections require the same intentionality you'd put into your career or your health. When you combine all three, the Thursday night protocol creates the structure. The vulnerability ladder deepens the connection. The investment protocol sustains the relationship. This is how men build friendships that actually improve their health and extend their lives. Not just surface-level buddies, but genuine connections that make life worth living. Drop a comment. Which step are you starting with? Number 1, Thursday night protocol, number 2, vulnerability ladder, or number 3, investment protocol? And here's the hard question. When did you last have a real conversation with another man about what's actually happening in your life? Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you found this helpful. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe to Deeper Dudes and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. It not only helps the channel, but it also tells us that we should make more content like this. We post videos every other day that tackle real challenges men face. So if you liked this one, you're probably going to enjoy the others on the channel. Remember, struggling doesn't make you weak, it makes you human. The fact that you took time to watch this means you're ready for something better. Thanks again for watching. Finally, be sure to check out the description below for all the amazing products that could jumpstart your healing journey. Catch you in the next one, Deeper Dudes. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, keep thriving.